Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Instagram message not sending problem. So let me show you here. I want to send the message to my friend, but as you can see guys, it's not sending here. So how can you fix this issue? Just simply close this page, and after that guys, you have to open settings, and now from here just simply tap on app management. Now from here, where for all, tap on app settings. You have to locate for Instagram app from here. Now I'm going to search for Instagram. Here it is guys. So you have to clear cache, clear storage from here, and then you have to force stop the app, and after that try to check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the phone is there, then what you need to do, turn on aeroplane mode and turn it off again, and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the phone is there, then you have to delete your Instagram app, and then you have to reinstall it again, and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the phone is there, then what you need to do is just simply wait for some hours, because it may be some glitch from Instagram app, or maybe source tone of Instagram app, that's why it's not working. So this is guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.